Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Pro mode on your smartphone camera. So here I'm using a Vivo camera, a Vivo phone, and I'm going to show you the Pro camera mode. So I'm going to open the camera first, and this is my cameras right here. And to open the Pro mode, you can just click on the more options in here and click on Pro. And this is the Pro mode on my phone. And to start, you can click on this informations to find the information of the feature on the Pro mode. There's the EV, the exposure composition. You can adjust the standard exposure set by the camera, and the ISO, the shutter speed, to adjust the length of time that the image sensor is exposed to light, the white balance, and the autofocus, manual focus, and the result default. Let's go back here. If you want to take a photo, you can adjust in here. There will be this you can adjust here the shutter speed, whether it's auto, or you can also do it manually. If you slow, if you swipe to the right, it will become darker, or if you swipe to the right, it will become brighter. So it will control how long the camera sensor is exposed to light, and a slower shutter speed allows you to more light in, but it can also cause blur if the camera or subject moves. So you can adjust it to how you like it, or it depends on the lighting itself. And there's also this EV that you can adjust also, and the ISO controls the camera's sensitivity to light. So higher the ISO allows you to take photos in low light. So if you have like a very low exposure to light, you can use a higher ISO, but you can also use a lower one if it's also if you have enough lighting. So the white balance in here, adjust the color. You can adjust the color temperature of the photo to match the lighting condition. And there's also this focus or manual focus that you can adjust. You can manual focus on your subject by tapping on the screen just like this, or you can also use the autofocus to make it focus automatically on the object. So once you've adjusted the settings to your liking, you can just tap the shutter in here at the bottom to take the photo. You can wait. You can see the results first. You can see it's a little bit blurry, so I think I need to change the aperture and also the shutter speed. So that's how you can use the Pro mode on your smartphone camera. And for additional tips, the Pro mode offers lots of flexibility, so don't be afraid to experiment with different settings to see how they affect your photos. And you can also use a tripod for long exposure or low light photography. It will prevent the camera shake and also achieve sharper images. And don't forget to practice, because mastering the Pro mode takes time. So practice regularly to improve your skills and get the most out of your Vivo smartphone camera or any Android smartphone camera. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.